Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure your device meets requirements and you have 50 MB free. Install Wuweido and create an account with email and a strong password. Enable two-factor authentication so your data stays secure. Once done, sign in and grant essential permissions for location, notifications, and storage so core features work. Make sure to verify your email. This prevents lockouts and unlocks sync. This gets you into the app, ready to configure profiles and preferences immediately. You now set up the core experience. Complete your profile and link any external accounts to pull relevant data. Navigate the app by using the bottom bar: Home for Dashboard, Explore for Discovery, Tasks for Workflows, Profile and Settings for Control. This structure speeds daily use. Once linked, enable automatic sync and backups so you never lose progress. Make sure to adjust notification frequency and task reminders. Doing so reduces noise while keeping essential alerts active and improves long-term efficiency. You finish by running a full sample task to confirm workflows and integrations behave as expected. This reveals configuration gaps early. Then optimize by adjusting privacy, data export options, and battery settings to balance performance versus resource use. Once satisfied, set a weekly review reminder to archive or export data. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache first, update to the latest version, and reboot. If that fails, contact support with a log and timestamp for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.